Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to add content to a course in CoachRack. This is a very vital part of any online course, right? Content is everything these days. Let's see how we can add content to a course that you have already created in CoachRack. So, I'm at the Invanto dashboard right now. So I'm going to click on Access under CoachRack. This would bring me to the CoachRack home screen. Now, since we will be working on courses, I'm going to click on Manage Courses. So I've created a demo course out here called Carpentry for Beginners. So I'm going to try to add content and show you exactly how it's done. Alright, so from the course list, I'm going to hover my mouse cursor over the chosen course and then click on Manage. Now, from the course dashboard, I'll have to click on Curriculum. Now you see I don't have any content added here, so I'm going to first create a section. So since this is the first section, I'll call it maybe Getting Started. So Getting Started. Alright, and if always remember to enable this. It's enabled by default, but in case you find this disabled, please enable this, otherwise this section would not be visible. So once I've entered the title, I'll have to click on Save. Alright, so once this section is created, Getting Started, I'll have to click on Add Lesson. So this is where things start getting interesting. So depending on the type of content that you want to add to your course, you'll have to select the options here. So for example, if I want to upload a .mp4 video, I'll have to select the video option. Or if I want to upload a .mp3 audio file, I'll have to select the audio option here. Or if I want to select include a PDF document, I'll have to select attachment. Now, one very important thing that you need to remember is, say I want to embed a particular video from YouTube, or maybe upload a video from any external source. I'll have to select text. Okay, so once I select text, then I would be able to add the embed code of the particular video that I want to upload from YouTube, right? So for now, I'm going to upload a PDF attachment. So I'm going to click on attachment and add a name to this lesson, which would be prerequisites. Okay, so as usual, the slug automatically populates, and I have already selected on attachment, and I'll click on Save. Okay, so once I click on Save there, it opens up the prerequisites lesson section. So here is where I get to add some summary, things to consider before starting a career in woodworking. Alright, so if you have multiple sections, you can choose which section you want this particular lesson to be a part of from this particular field. Now, coming to status is important. So for example, if I want to keep adding content in the near future, and I do not want it to be visible to the students till my entire course is completed, I'll select the draft option. So what it would do is it would allow me to keep working on this particular lesson. At the same time, whatever content I have already uploaded is not visible to the student. The moment I change this to published, it would be visible to the students. I hope this is clear here, because this is important. I seriously would not want an incomplete course to be visible to my students, right? So now I can choose to include the number of pages out here just to give more information about the course's content, but normally I've seen many users just leave it blank. And then the lesson icon is the icon that you want to display against the content. So since this is an attachment, I'm going to select attachment here, And if you want to offer this particular course as a bonus or a freebie, you can always enable this toggle here. And this commenting on option, I think we have discussed this in a previous video, is where you enable your users or your students to actually start discussing about this course. So if I keep this on, all my students would be able to discuss pointers about this particular lesson inside the course. Okay, so now once this is done, I'll click on content, and this is where you get to upload the content. See, I chose attachment, that's why I just have the upload attachment option. Had I chosen video here, it would have said upload video. So I'm going to quickly upload something up here. So prerequisites of woodworking, and upload. So once I click on the upload button, it would pop up an explorer, which would give me an option to upload items from either my computer or my Dropbox account. So now I'm going to choose my local machine and click on prerequisites of woodworking. Now, okay, I have already uploaded it. So what happens is you would get a progress bar. Let me show you exactly how. So you get a progress bar showing you the status of the upload. Depending on the file size that you're uploading, it might take longer. If it's a small text file, then it would take a very short time. However, if it's a video file or something like that, which is larger in size, it might take a little longer. So as of now, you can see that 18% has completed. So we'll give it a couple of seconds to finish uploading, and then I'll show you exactly how it looks like. So once the upload is finished, you would see the file here and a checkbox on it. So make sure that you do not uncheck this box, otherwise it will not know which file to upload or insert. So as of now, once I have checked this box, I'll click on insert. See it, the name of the file populates here, and then I click on save. Alright, so another neat feature here is that you can also add references to your content by clicking on references and uploading your references here. So for now, I do not have any references to upload since this is a demo video. So I'll click on save. Okay, so let me go back to curriculum. Click on curriculum here, and you can now see that you have a section getting started, and then you have a lesson called prerequisites. So let me show you exactly how it looks like on the school side. So what I'll do is I'll click on the school icon here, and I'll go to my carpentry corner school, click on options, and then manage school. Now I'm going to launch the preview of the site by clicking on the button here. So this is my school's front-end site. If I scroll down, you would see the course library. So just now we worked on carpentry for beginners. If I click on details, it would bring us to the curriculum section where it says curriculum prerequisites. Okay, so this is how you can add content to a course created in CoachRack. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any questions, please let us know. We'll be more than happy to help you out. Thank you so much for watching.